Hey guys, what is up? Teddy here, and today I will teach you guys a very quick tutorial on how to do a top rock to your footwork and quickly get back again to your top rock. So the things that you must need to learn or already master is your Indian step, which you can do both ways, and also some basic footwork. Now step 1, we're going to start from the Indian step. I'm going to do Indian step to the left side and then switch to the right side before I'm going down to the floor. First Indian step, switch, and step. After you do this Indian step, you're gonna go low and you're gonna quickly hop over. So when the timing is right and when timing, if you're using music, it will look something like this. Kick, kick, kick. So that's a speed that probably that you're gonna see on the real battle. It depends on the music, on the speed of the music as well. As you can see, after I'm going down and freeze on the floor, I'll quickly get back up. So if you're doing very slow, it's really tough for you to get back up because you don't have the momentum. That is why when you do the move, when you're going down, you're gonna need to push a little bit with your hands, and then quickly you're gonna go up. You're gonna feel the momentum is there. You're gonna go up, and then you can continue with your footwork or your top rock. So let me try and show you guys. From the normal top rock, I'm going to combine some top rock before I'm going down, and then after going down, get back up, I'm going to quickly do some top rock. Okay, so just give you guys some idea on how it looks. That's it, very quick and simple tutorial on how to combine some top rock into your footwork and then quickly get back up to the top rock again. Alright, again, just master those moves or those basic things that I said earlier, that you should be really quick to master this whole thing. And that's about it. Subscribe for this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.